Hello friends, welcome back to Simply Study. So in this video, I'm going to talk about communication. Now what is communication? Communication is nothing but exchange of ideas and information. There can be various means of communication, verbal as well as non-verbal. We are going to talk about verbal communication. Now communication is also different media, like you can have face-to-face communication, email communication, mobile communication and things like that. But in this video, I'm going to talk about how to improve your face-to-face communication. So I'm going to tell you the ABCD of communication. Let's start with the A. The A of communication says that you have to acknowledge and admit that you want to improve your communication. Why you have to acknowledge and admit that you want to improve? Only once you know that you want to improve will you be able to give some efforts and improve your communication eventually. Now the B of communication says that be bold and believe you can talk properly. Once you know that, okay, yes, I can attempt to talk, then only will you be able to go and talk to people. So you have to be bold and believe you communicate effectively. The C of communication says that you have to be courageous. Along with that, you have to have candid communication with a lot of people, because this is going to be like swimming. You can't learn swimming if you are not in the swimming pool. So to improve your communication, the C is have candid chat, candid communication with your friends, family. And let's say if you want to improve your English, then it is advisable or it is must that you talk to your friends or your family in English to improve that particular language or whatever you are learning. The D of communication is difference of opinion. Now I'll elaborate on this point. What is difference of opinion? Everyone is unique. Everyone has different opinion. There can be arguments, so we have to appreciate other people's opinion, and hence while communicating we have to take care that they also have different opinion. You have to listen to their opinion, and you know what, if you listen to different opinion you get more and more ideas. So it is quite advisable to listen to people and agree to the difference of opinion, listen to it. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. I'll come up with the next video on Friday. Thank you for watching.